Okay, we all know how important innovation in any nation, any country, and even in any company. So this is why Innovation Lab is one of our most important projects for our food and beverage group.
The F&B Innovation Lab 2.0 is an unparalleled initiative sponsored by the UAE F&B Group and the Khalifa Fund.
We have done our first cycle last year. I have to admit it was a big learning for all of us, from all the stakeholders. For us as a group, for our members as companies, and even the student in terms of how they've learned the process and the cycle.
The version 2.0 is bringing a set of manufacturers in the UAE together, along with participants from academia and entrepreneurs from the UAE who want to make a difference to innovation in our country.
I feel that we're hitting two birds with one stone. One is working in really developing a talented national individual who would be the leader of the future in this sector, with the collaborations of all the stakeholders, us as a group, our member as companies, and our educational partner also from the universities, with the support of Khalifa Fund.
This is a phenomenal initiative because this ecosystem is going to enable the UAE to transform the landscape of F&B innovation and really take it to the next level in the organization.
So these are the main objectives we have: developing national talented individual to lead the sector for today and the future. Second is to fuel innovation in this sector, which is one of the most important sectors in our country. Working together with our stakeholders, we're taking this project as a strategic project for us because our leaders is understanding the importance of our sector, the importance of innovations in making it happen in our sector. So thank you for being with us and looking for your participation in this cycle. Thank you.